The beach. Hooray, tomorrow is Sunday, what shall we do?
Shall we go to the beach?
Yes, we can go to the beach as long it is sunny.
Yay! We'll bring my shovel and bucket to the beach and make sandcastles.
Tomorrow we can go to the beach. Now it is time to sleep.
I can't wait to go to the beach tomorrow. Just imagine how awesome it would be. Yay!
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ha! So wonderful.
It's breakfast time. Time to eat.
We are getting ready to go to beach.
Hooray! We are off to the beach. Hooray! We are off to the beach.
Okay, now here we are at the beach.
You can start playing.
Yay!
Ice cream, ice cream. Get your ice cream here.
It's a very hot day.
Shall we go and have some ice cream?
Yes, please.
An ice cream, please.
That's enough ice cream for now.
Hooray, my friends are here.
Shall we play? Let's play with our ball.
Shall we go for swimming?
Yes.
No, why? Because the water feels very cold.
Come on, it will be fun.
Okay, I will try my best. This is so much fun. It is not so bad after all.
Phew, that's a very nice swim. Let's have some juice.
The swimming was nice, but swimming with waves was too difficult.
Yes, why do they make waves occur in the sea? I don't know, let's ask your parents.
MOM. Why waves occur in the ocean?
The waves are formed by the effect of the wind.
Really?
Yes, the waves are formed by the wind. The speed of the waves depends on speed of the wind. The stronger the wind, the stronger the waves are.
It's time to go home.
Your parents are here.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.
It's our home time too.